In this video, I'm about to show you how you can access and use Kraken Pro in just a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. The process is very simple. All you need to do is firstly log into your Kraken account. If you don't have one already, you can go to the link in the description below, where I will leave a link with a bonus code, which will get you 20 euros completely for free. All you need to do is sign up, deposit 100 euros, and trade them. You will need to do this on the first month of your account. And after that, you can also get 20 euros for every friend you invite. So after you have done that, you should be on Kraken. This is the normal platform. And Kraken Pro is a platform more professional, more focused on trading. So you just need to click this icon. And right here, you will see Kraken, Kraken Pro, and the Classic. So we are gonna go for this one, click there, and you will see this is a different interface and you have different features. So for example, you have the trade option right here. If you click here, you can search for any coin or any pair you want. You can see there are hundreds and hundreds, and you can see a lot of information about that coin, the order book, your orders, and a lot of things about the market. So this way you can basically analyze all the data and you can put an order or start trading coins directly on Kraken. So that's it. If you are more interested in getting into crypto, then Kraken Pro might be your option. But if you just want to do some simple operations, you can just go for the normal Kraken. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.